Liu Tao is a Chinese actress. She was born on July 12, 1987 in Nanchang, China. Liu graduated from Guangdong University of Foreign Studies. In 2021, she starred in Love is True. The same year, she also played Hand in Hand and Palace of Devotion. In 2005, she married Liu Emin. They later divorced in 2007. In 2008, Liu married businessman Wang Qi. The daughter Wang Ziyana was born later that year and their son Wang Zizing was born in 2009. In 2020 she starred in Face to See. The same year she also played Zingde Town. When she was a teenager, Liu Zhao served the 2 years in a performance troupe of the People's Liberation Army. In 2019, Liu starred in historical drama Poetry of the Song Dynasty, acting for Empress Li Yu, the wife of Emperor Zhenzong, portrayed by the Taiwanese actor Vic Chao. It is directed by renowned director Lee Xiaohong. The same year, she starred in the drama film Midnight Dinner, based on the Japanese manga of the same name. She is a versatile actress and has played a range of different kinds of roles. In 2019, Liu reunited with Ode to Joy co-star Yang Shuo in romance melodrama Hope All Is Well With Us. She is one of the most famous Chinese actresses today. In 2017, Liu starred in historical drama The Advisors Alliance, portraying Zhang Chunghua, the wife of Sima Wai. The same year, she featured in the crime thriller Peacebreaker and action thriller the Foreigner. In 2016, Liu headlined a modern romance drama Ode to Joy, playing a capable but insecure woman. The drama garnered positive reviews and high ratings, and Liu was nominated as the Best Actress at the Huading Awards and Shanghai Television Festival. In 2015, she starred in acclaimed historical wuxia drama Nirvana in Fire, playing a strong warrior princess. This same year, she co-starred in historical drama The Legend of Mi Yue at the antagonist and won the Best Supporting Actress award at the Shanghai Television Festival. Liu's subsequent performance as a capable career woman and a housewife in acclaimed melodrama To Elderly with Love in 2013 garnered her the Best Actress award at the China TV Golden Eagle Award and the Best Performing Arts award at the China Golden Eagle TV Arts Festival. The same year, she starred in A Good Wife as a mother and a housewife who struggles with the challenges of family life. The family drama was a ratings hit and along with the discussion of Liu's own martial arrangements became one of the most talked about topics on Weibo. As a result, Liu gained a surge in popularity. Liu challenged her first antagonist role in Dali Princess in 2009, co-starring Ruby Lin. In 2012, she played Mazu in the television series of the same name. The drama gained high ratings during its run and won at the Outstanding Television Series Award at the China TV Golden Eagle Award and Flying Apsaras Awards.